What's up? Hey! Hey!
Buenos dias from Medellin, Colombia. We got a dryer. Put the clothes in the dryer, but I don't think they didn't dry properly. So I was a bit nervous because I'm not used to doing stuff by myself. I've got a mate to do those type of stuff back home. Big up Judy. And yeah, I didn't want to shrink my clothes, man. So we're letting it dry out. But we're getting ready to go on an excursion. So. See what this man says, see if he's ready. Yo. Oh shit, man. What are you doing, bro? Bro. Bro, how did I know you was gonna be in there naked, bro?
Boy, bro. Come on,
how did I know you was gonna be in there naked, bro? How did I know that?
You're still in the room.
How would I know that? Fucking hell, mate. Niggas talking about me being gay. What's wrong with this fool? This fish. Didn't see me look down once. Man's walking around listening to drill music in his shower. Guys, I'm gonna break this down for you right now. Anyone watching this who comes from the road or who's been a part of the road society and done anything untoward, like myself, I didn't have a clean background, you know. I've been arrested, I've done bad stuff, but I've changed my life around, I've turned my life around. Don't feel like you gotta live up to the expectations of what people think, because that's not perceived as cool. Listen to the music I'm listening to right now. This music, hey. You know, this is uplifting, this is positive, it's vibes, it's vibey. I'm in Colombia, why would I be listening to a man talking about he's gonna stab or shoot someone 10 times and then fucking ride back around the corner and kill his dog? Why would I listen to that? So I gotta be honest with you guys, man. My cousin, I tried to tell him, I say, look, man, that music that you listen to, cuz, it's low vibrational, man. It's not about that, guys. Trust me, you need to raise your vibrations. And to raise your vibrations, stop listening to music that's only putting you down. Music that's only gonna make you feel one way, you know? Try to listen to something that's gonna either uplift your spirit or just music in general that's just gonna be positive, you know? I'm not saying you have to turn around and listen to what I'm listening to, but I'm just saying in general, guys, what you tell yourself, you know, and what you listen to, these are things that affect your subconscious mind. You may not think it does, but trust me, it does. Your subconscious mind is a real thing. And to program yourself for success, you have to constantly embed commands. I tell myself every day, I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm blessed, I'm healthy. I'm too healthy to be stressed. Money comes to me easily, effortlessly, and abundantly, you know? There's things you have to constantly tell yourself. Your brain is like a computer. The more you tell it something, the more something is going to actually come true. Trust me, guys, I've had times where I've told my brain I'm going to make 50 grand on a deal. And the last day of the year when I was working a 9 to 5, I got the 50 grand deal. I've seen things happen that have showed me why I know that what you tell yourself and what you input into your brain is really real, guys. So try to change that if you can, man. That's my tip of the day.
Day in the life of a trader, constantly on their phone. Not because they're being annoying or anything like that, more so because they're in the middle of a trade. And if their attention slipped for just the smallest of moment, that's it. It's a good way of making money, it is, but it's also very stressful when you're away from the market, you don't have connection or anything like that. I'm not a day trader. I have looked into trading before, but it's just too time consuming for me. The simple fact that I can't be on my phone 24/7, especially when I have clients in the middle of a session or anything like that. As well as the trading time scale, it's very crazy. You have to be awake at some ridiculous time just to catch all sorts of signal, movement, all that kind of stuff, you know what I mean? But in the meantime, I get to sit down and rest because this guy needs to go cash point, so thankful that, you know, it works out in my favor. we're still on the lost hunt for some combat, some other clothing items. I don't know what he wants to go get, but yeah, surely we'll make it happen. I'm just seeing combats for women. I ain't a cross-dresser or anything like that. Like, if that's what you're into, props to you, man. Good for you, but I just need something light, you know what I'm saying? I didn't really see nothing in the market. I see trainers, but I don't need trainers. I need some cargos. And this is what all of my holidays consist of. Looking for missing items that I left behind me.
You cannot down. You gotta be always gotta go positive. You know what I'm saying? I know. But you know what? Yeah. You with you. We gotta stay with it. We gotta stay with it, bro.
Birdo. So we made it out of the trenches. We made it out of El Centro. We stopped off at Birdo. Grab a quick food. Are you the DJ?
I'm not the DJ, but I'm playing the music.
You're playing the music?
Yeah.
Can I give you a song?
Yeah, of course.
What, you gonna do the dance?
Yeah, I will. I will. I will.
You do the dance?
I will do it. I'll do the dance as well, you know. I'll do the dance. I need some of your amigas to come and do the dance.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah, they didn't think I was gonna do it. They didn't think I'm serious.
No, I've got second-hand embarrassment. Please, allow me.
What?
I've got second-hand embarrassment, bro.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Chill out, man.
Look at this guy. Hey, my camera lens is dirty, man. Huh? Go and grab one of them. Grab one of them. You go and grab them.
No, I don't know. Maybe I can do it, but I can't.
You did too much. You need to grab it, guys. You need to grab her. Grab her. You're calm, you done your thing, man. Sit down, man. Sit down, man. Yeah.
Life of a content creator, you have to be selfless. Sometimes, some things you might not actually be that comfortable with. But it's all for the content. You know what I'm trying to say? Embracing the inner you, the inner child, and just enjoying yourself, you know? Dancing is good for the soul. Singing is good for the soul. Laughter is good for the soul. You're just too serious.
We're on the strip. Really, there ain't much happening over there. We was over here yesterday, but it looks alright. I feel like it's where you want to chill. It's not where you want to really. Oh no. It's not where you really want to go out and shake a leg. See where we're going now? That's like in the trenches. That's more like carnival setting. That's more like big back setting. So let's see. Can I say big back? I feel like I say big back, trunk back, horseback.
Grandissimo!
Yeah, no, jokes aside, I want to meet some locals. I want to meet some tourists. You know what I mean? People that are on holiday because we want to do a lot of excursions. So yeah, it'd be nice to meet some people that we can say, yo, look, we'll cover these things. Let's have some fun. It's not all about going out, getting drunk, and then having a madness. You know what I'm saying? I don't want that. I'm 31 years old. I don't need that. I can get that anywhere I want. I live in Dubai.
You just want to eat some beans, man.
You know what I mean? You know, she hear me knocking.
Let me in! Let's get down.
What's going on? Bubble bubble, they call it bubbaloo. Yeah? Bubble bubble.
This guy just chats too much. You see me, I like the simple life. This guy's still in the shop talking. Someone should not let that guy in. Still at the shop talking.
Where are you from?
Qué buena. Solamente uno.
Excuse me, sir. I am promoter. I had the best night club. Full party, full people, music, Afrobeat.
Oh,
My friend, check it out. One opportunity, no cover. Free chop tequila.
espérate.
No grave.
Ay!
Grave.
What are you doing?
Grave.
Behave yourself. Inner life of this guy just doing the most, man. Come.
Yeah, fake dice, bro. When I rolled it, I got 5 on the 1. When I rolled it, I got 5 on the 1. No, bro. Siete.
Oh, amigo.
I give you a cup. Bro, give the dice out my face. I don't care about that, bro. Stop doing that. I don't care. No, I don't care. Stop that. You want a drink? I'll give you a drink. But stop fucking rolling dice in my face. Stop doing that. ¿Tú quieres bebida?
Yes.
Go get a cup. Go get a cup. I'll give you some. I ain't giving you no money with no fake dice. Man. Look, what's the roll? 6-6. See? Fake. Everything 6-6.
Siete.
6. No way.
6.
Todos 6.
6. ¿Quieres ver el parteo?
Everyone doing the 6. Get out of here, man. Everyone doing 6. Yo. Mucho 6. 6.
Parteo tengo 6.
6. These niggas think they can hustle me. 6. Todos 6, ¿no? Todos 6. ¿Por qué no 2? ¿Por qué no 2? 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 15.
No me explico mi país.
10. ¿Por qué no 10? Alright, pay me mine.
4:39. We are still on the strip.
Yeah, we got bumped. Yeah, so you tell me. We got bumped. And you know, like it's just burning my soul. Like I wouldn't even mind if I spent £400 to have a good time with my cousin. And we're just chilling. But we didn't even have that much of a good time. We just sat there looking stush. Every girl that came over to us was like, yeah, hello, yeah, thank you, no, thank you. You know what I mean? Every girl came over like, yeah, hello, there, no, thank you. £400 for that. I'm telling you this, we're living in a real fucking pandemic. Because when you pay £400 for that, that means the club is in desperate need of making some serious dough. Yeah, some serious dough. But I'll tell you this, the market is crashing. I'm due to go back home and make that money back on Bitcoin. So I ain't gonna sweat it. I really ain't gonna sweat it. Trust me. I paid
I'm
$3
gonna
bills.
go back
I paid
and do some
$3 bills.
press-ups.
Listen, I paid £300 here for a flight because he told me to book the flight weeks before and I never booked it. And then the night before when he arrived, I went to book it £300. Like, fuck, the flight should have cost like £30, £40. So I had to book it and I made it back. So I'll make it back again, it's not a problem, but this is for people that understand the fact that, you know, not everyone's a trader, bro. Most people work a 9 to 5, bro, and you gotta understand, if you're working a 9 to 5,
Your budget is different.
you can't afford to just throw away £400. So if you come to Colombia, don't be jumping in don't listen to no one recommending you to go nowhere. It's simple as that.
Simple. You get in the Uber, and that's the safest option.
Go where you need to go and go home. Don't be listening to no one talking about mucho listo. Yeah, mucho chicas. Bullshit. Man tried to tell me I got to pay him for the time that he spent with me drinking the alcohol that I bought him and smoking the fucking shisha that I bought him. Like he's some fucking escort. Shut up, man. I had to slam his door. You know how you like to slam doors? I had to slam his door.
Money day.
Yeah. You know the vibes, it's lit side. If you're watching this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes, it's lit side. Colombia, Medellin. You know, if we're back home, we say Medellin because we think we know something about. No, we don't. It's Medellin. Yeah? But listen, we need to jump on a plane. Me and Cuzzy might go to, San Andreas. Go to some places where the views is just nice. Man ain't come here for no girls, so man don't mind going somewhere where the views is just nice. What's that place called? Guapata.
Oh yeah, yeah.
To get more interesting because we need to go and do some serious lifestyle shit. So if you're looking at this, if you're looking at this and you're thinking about coming here, come here, experience it yourself, and then you'll realize life is for the living. Yeah.